It all began in 1994 with a promise to serve our community. In every office and every building, helping others to stay safe and sanitary. 25 years later, we're still here, providing not only commercial cleaning services, but also building and facilities maintenance for all fields and trades. Our focus is you, making sure your environment is healthy and that you always have a picturesque view. Ensuring that every detail is put in place because we believe that a job well done is beautiful and that every small detail should be accounted for. So we scale new heights and we break through the noise and we fight to bring the shine back to our community. Because we believe that our promise still matters 25 years later. And we know that focusing on you is what makes us number one.